Okay.
prank you.
Come here, guys. Come here.
I'm not gonna listen, okay?
I know that. Let's throw one. So, and throw it on the next. No. We're not buying water bottles tomorrow. Let's do this. Let's get water bottles. We each get water bottle, and we can sneak on him and throw it on his head. We're gonna prank him. We have to knock on the door
What you guys are talking about?
when they're gonna come. You don't have to know. We each get like 2 water bottles, but we might. We're gonna get it from Jasiel's house. Just yesterday, he said we can do a prank on him. Yeah. We're gonna tell them, can you get me Nation on the door? Wait, we got it. Yeah.
Okay, so when is the prank going to happen?
Tomorrow.
Happen tomorrow. I mean, pranks should be unexpected, but you guys are gonna prank me when I'm not expecting it, right?
Yeah.
But isn't that kind of like, if we don't know, you might be really, don't you think a little mad?
I'm gonna be pranking one of you tomorrow.
Not me. He might.
Maybe it might be you. It might be Emmy. I don't know. Maybe Yo-Yo.
He might stay over, or he's gonna leave.
I might stay over.
He just here. Tell your mom we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna tell my grandma and my mom when he comes. No, tell her mom because our grandma will say no.
Yeah, the grandma will say no, right?
Grandma. Today's the second day, and I have my friends here. And we're about to do the toilet. They're covered with toilet paper. Now we're about to do the prank. Mary's gonna have something.
Oh my god.
All these kids. I don't think inside. Just do it on the out, cause I don't have his key.
Put it on. You put it inside the car. The wind is blowing. It's okay. Can I put it inside? You put it.
I'm like,
Toilet paper on the front. I put it.
Nugget.
Put it on the rim. Guys, somebody put it on the other side. You put it in the other side. Yes, the door is open. The wind is going to blow. The door is open. Keep it on the spot.
put everything in the car.
Guys, cover the back. The whole car. Easton! You're like the one like this. No. We need some on the top of the car. Excuse me, can you help us on the top of the car?
Sure. Grab this ad.
Let's cover NateNation.
My mom's gonna bring some tape.
Cover the NateNation. You already know.
Oh yeah. This is a no NateNation zone. Let's cover the NateNation. All right, now we got some tape because
What if it takes the paint?
everything keeps flying away. Uh-oh.
We could put ketchup on the car, not kids, not child.
Ketchup?
No, on the windshield.
Nathan might kill you guys.
Where's the paint? Guys, come here. We cover the side. That guy was the number one bird. Where's the paint? Put it on here. Yeah, and I'll tape it. You only put them over here. Everybody. Marcy, I'll give just your tape. Marcy.
You can put more in here.
It's so heavy. What? It's heavy for tape.
You guys are so cute.
We didn't do anything.
Oh my gosh.
We didn't do anything.
We're doing the
Yeah, we didn't do anything.
Nathan
Hey guys!
is just seeing this.
So this was the prank, guys?
I didn't help them.
This
I'm
was
just the
the
camera
prank?
person.
Yeah.
You guys toilet papered my car?
Yeah.
Oh no, we don't need the car. Nothing happened inside.
Nothing happened inside.
Yeah, nothing in the car yet.
I mean, I don't know. You sounded very... Oh!
Yeah, nothing.
Yo, this is ridiculous. They literally put toilet paper around the whole car. Whose idea was this? It was your idea, right, Yo-Yo? Oh, it was yours?
No, ours. Who's the picture? He just came out of nowhere. No.
I want to know whose idea this was, because whoever idea it was, I'm pouring a bottle of water on them.
I'll do it.
You'll do it? It was your idea?
I'll just do it.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right. Okay, it was your idea though, right? Your idea. So you want to pour the water on him? All right, it's about to happen.
I know him. He's gonna throw the entire bottle in it.
Don't throw the whole bottle, just spill the water on him. Ready? Look, Emmy. Look, Ilios. Oh, that's his punishment.
Is there any more? Oh, there's a coin in it.
Oh. Oh. That's So that's your punishment. I mean, it wasn't even really your idea. It was his idea. All right, now we have to pour this on you. Here you go. Go ahead. It's cold. It's cold, right?
I want to put water on you.
All right. Anyways, let's go check out the car. We got Emmy and Ilios working hard.
I just like a brand new car. You can't see.
How to put? You can't even see the car no more.
We forgot to cover the NateNation sign.
Oh yeah, the NateNation sign.
I tried covering it, but then the wind kept like blowing it off.
Emmy and Ilios are working hard. They already got this whole wheel covered. Check out the car so far.
It's like 10 years.
This was a good prank, but I literally caught them pranking me and they're still doing it. They're still going. Especially Emmy. Emmy's still going strong. What up, Gino? You dyed your hair, fam? Oh wait. You guys want to keep going?
Yeah.
Guys.
Do some on the house. Here. Here. Now we could do some on the house.
It's gonna fly everywhere. My gosh. What prank am I gonna do tomorrow?
Yeah.
What prank am I gonna do tomorrow on you?
Yeah.
You or Ilios? I think I'm gonna spill cold water on you. Ice bucket water.
Ooh, let's run away.
You're gonna have to run away from me. Putting more on the inside?
Yeah, do it.
Oh my gosh.
Do some on the back first, yeah. We never did on the back. I did some on the back.
The backs too?
Yeah.
No.
Now you should take us a ride in it.
Right now?
Just here, we're almost done. You need to cover this and then the other. Wait.
It's almost done, guys. Stay tuned. All right, so Ilio did the inside. Check it out. Look at how the inside looks. If I drive, I don't think I'll be able to see.
Or you could just take it off.
Yeah, of course. Or else I'll get pulled over if I don't take it off. Check it out, man. They literally put a toilet paper on my license plate. I think that's kind of illegal, but...
We're helping you out. You get pulled over a lot.
I haven't got pulled over in like 2-3 months. I'm doing pretty good. I'm on a streak.
I mean, you still got pulled over.
Literally pranked me. They put toilet paper all over my car. I was not expecting this though. But when I seen them doing it, I came out and I let them continue doing it because they're having fun. Emmy loves Nugget. Emmy, you can have him, okay? I don't want him no more. Yep. You guys are still doing it?
TP your dad's car.
Yeah. TP your dad's car and get his reaction.
I love how he's still putting more.
I know, he's still doing it. He's so motivated. I have to go wash my car now, bro. There's gonna be handprints all over it.
At least only a little part's gonna get it.
Yeah, exactly. This looks good though. It looks good. Should I drive it?
It was his idea. It was his idea.
It's gonna fly all around the neighborhood. Don't do it, man. Look, he doesn't even. Bro, he's so dumb. It's all gonna fly everywhere. Watch out, careful.
Oh my god. I think this is the last we've seen all NateNation.
Nathan, don't drive. You're gonna get all over the whole neighborhood.
He doesn't care. So stupid.
We could clean this off. Run.
Okay. Let's clean up the whole neighborhood now.
Oh yeah. Let's go clean the neighborhood.
That's a good idea.
Come here, Nugget. Yeah, man. Neighbor's getting mad.
Get back in so we get more fun.
No, I don't want more toilet paper.
Careful, careful.
Is this good?
Guys. Nate. Yeah, stop it.
Now we have to clean the whole neighborhood. Whoa, imagine you I messed it up.
The whole neighborhood's messed up, man.
I gotta help.
Yeah.
I gotta help clean.
Yeah, you gotta help.
You're the best. You're the best. She's cleaning my car.
It goes 200 speed.
Yep, 200 miles per hour. Very fast.
Where are you doing the next prank? Where we are round 2.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to think of a prank, but you're already thinking of a new prank?
Yeah.
She's gonna prank me so good.
Next week now, right?
Next week, or I might prank you guys tomorrow. You never know.
Today. This car goes triple the speed of my dad. Maybe we can prank you later.
Okay, so you guys, that is the end of the prank. I'm not gonna lie, they got me good. Yo-Yo got me good. Emmy got me good. They all got me really good. So that means we're starting a prank war.
Oh no.
Yup, a prank war.
Do it?
I'm gonna prank you now.
I'll smash your windshield.
No, you can't smash my windshield.
We could just put ketchup all over your house.
Okay, then stay tuned because I'm gonna be making water balloons with ketchup inside. Ketchup, and then I'm gonna come and throw them at you guys and have them splatter all
That'll
over you
take
guys.
10 years of
That's a good prank, right? And now you're gonna take my idea. But yeah, stay tuned, you guys. If you did enjoy, please drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe. It's been your boy NateNation.
Emmy, Ilya, and Jasir, and Easton.
And Samir.
And we'll see you guys in the next prank video. Peace out.
Do what I do, call an Uber for you. Hit a lick, we go shopping. I know you liking them shoes. Now you calling me boo. Got a shot, I'ma shoot. I got pictures of you. I look different on you. Ay, ay, ay. She know that she like me. I don't cough unlikely. If I spend it, you be wifey. When I tell you I got all this